So, good morning, Victor. It's a great to be together today. We are very excited with today's announcement. Dassault Systèmes intends to acquire QuintiQ. This is great announcement. Tell me, Victor, you have been creating QuintiQ in 1997 as one of the founders. You have been there since day one, so it has been already quite a journey. How you would best describe this journey?
Thank you, Philippe, for having us, and it's a great day with the announcement that has just been made. I started together with 4 colleagues the company in 1997, and our goal was to solve all the planning puzzles in the world, as we call it. Planning puzzles are things people do to run their operations. And in that time, we've gone from the 5 people that we were to now 800 people without any acquisitions, so it was all organic growth. And it has made us now the 4th largest supply chain planning and optimization company in the world. And we're excited to take it a step further together.
So we know each other since at least 1 year already.
Yeah.
We have been meeting several times. We engage already jointly in some customers. Great opportunity to see how things are working. And we had, of course, a lot of occasions to meet your teams. I've been impressed by the skills and expertise you have in your organization on all fronts. R&D, support, customer implementation, sales. All that is really critical. And how did you build that? And how do you see that critical moving forward?
We think that that's extremely important. So at the end of the day, any company can only have great technology if they have great people building that technology. And you can only do good customer implementations if the people who do that have the expertise and are passionate about it. And I think that where it started was that the 5 founders all happened to be computer scientists who competed together in competitions. So we were very competitive. We were pretty good at what we did as programmers. So when you then hire new people, you put the bar really high. You say, listen, we want to have people that fit with that. And I think that that culture of only hiring the best has stayed with us. I think that's very important. And I think it's the same thing that Dassault Systèmes is doing. People we met, same thing. I know the first meeting I was in, someone was talking about, you always talk about puzzles and have you done the Rubik's Cube? And when we compared notes, he was faster at it than I was. And so clearly there is this common culture of science and technology and being really good at it that is important to our companies.
So Victor, let's talk a little bit about customers. QuintiQ is serving large customers in a number of industries like rail, metal, airport, and so on. And absolutely great logo. You have one,
yep,
like the Walmart, the DHL, and others. And those customers are obviously using the QuintiQ software every day in their daily activities to really plan and optimize their operations.
Yes.
Tell me, how did you get there? What about the competition?
Yeah.
And what do you do to keep those customers happy every day?
So first, to put all those customers together, we have one software platform that allows us to solve what we call planning puzzles. So if you talk about the Walmart, what we do for them is they have about 4,000 stores where they need to have about 20,000 loads delivered per day with 7,000 trucks. And the question is, which trucks brings what load from where to where? And it's a very complex puzzle, as we call it. And then if you look at, for instance, a steel company, they need to figure out which piece of metal is produced on what machine in what sequence, and there's casting rules and hot rolling rules and slitting rules and all of that. And if you look at workforce planning, it's about who is going to do what in what sequence, and there are labor rules and there are security rules and there's preferences and all of that. And we say all of these examples are in a way puzzles where you need to find the right solution to the puzzle so that you're being on time, at the lowest cost, and according to all the rules. And how did we get to those great logos? Well, at the end of the day, because we have better technology than anyone else. But we didn't start with those great logos. We started with a small trucking company and then a bigger trucking company. And at some stage, DHL came to us and said, well, you seem to have the best technology. We were only 80 people and did the whole audit of our company to see if we're big enough for them. But once you have DHL, you can also go to Walmart and others. And right now, we serve many of the world market leaders in those different industries. But it has taken us 17 years to get there.
Tell me, Victor, you're talking about puzzles.
Yeah.
But puzzles look like it's simple from outside. could you tell us what is behind?
When we talk about a planning puzzle, for us it is you have some finite resource, whether it's people or machines or trucks, where you find the optimal solution. Just like a Rubik's Cube, you need to finally get all the colors sorted. Here you need to find out how with a certain number of trucks or with a certain number of machines, you get everything done in the best possible way. So you have a lot of algorithms behind it, optimization algorithms, and you need to represent the knowledge that goes and the roles that goes into it. And that's our specialty. So we typically call it planning puzzle because that shows that the complexity and the seeking of solutions is a really important part of it, very different from, say, an ERP system, which is kind of transactions, which we typically call the boring part of some of the business systems. So when our customers talk about puzzles to us, we typically know that we got their interest. So, Philippe, what we do as a company, you could summarize as business operations planning, and that's our vision. How does it fit in the Dassault Systèmes vision?
Well, Victor, you know Dassault Systèmes as the 3D experience company. It's really about business experiences that we want to offer to all our customers, all our clients in all the industries we serve. Helping our customers to model, plan, optimize their business operation is really fully aligned. It's part of what you do, and it's fully aligned with our strategy. We want this to be fully operating on the 3D experience platform. We are together on that topic. We share this vision and this ambition. In addition, you know that we have 12 brands at Dassault Systèmes.
Yeah.
By the way, 7 of them are number one. So we want to be number one in all of our brands. And all our brands are powered by the 3D experience platform. And here we have the opportunity to really expand our Delmia brand beyond what we do today, covering completely the industrial operation world by planning and optimizing the operations for our daily activities for our customers. So we are really together, we have a journey, and we are so excited to welcome you and your team into Dassault Systèmes. Welcome to you and to all your team. We are so excited.
Well, thank you so much. We are happy to be here.